Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just gone over to XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking the videos, and most importantly, thank you for your subscription on YouTube. Okay, so if you're not already involved in the Discord, in the premium membership right there, definitely get involved. Okay, so I've added so much content to that particular section right there, the premium membership. I've added CoinsKid.com, fully access to so many data sets, macro, micro, whatever, signals, and equally the indicators as well. Okay, so this is a section that I've developed for CoinsKid.com. I've called it the crypto zone section, and you can sort of get a macro and a micro view at the same time. So this particular heat map that I've created, this is the micro view. This is a sort of 1 hour to 4 hourly time frame greed right there, and then what we've got is a macro view, obviously the fear and greed index. You can clearly see at the moment the greed is 69, yesterday it's 66, last week 72, so it come down and it's having another go at 72, isn't it? So it's a clear whopping uptrend at the moment, isn't it? It's really bullish, the crypto markets are, and usually typically in a wave 3 this is where we are. We sort of stay up in this level for a very long time before actually dumping. So again, I'm just respecting the pump. I'm respecting the fact that we could potentially be in a third wave for Bitcoin. Looking for the confirmation today on Bitcoin again to invalidate a fake out. So again, please check out the Bitcoin video, but so far so good. So this particular section on CoinsKid.com, I call it crypto zones, and basically it's just a micro view, this little heat map that I've made here. It gives you a little bit of view basically of a potential opportunity. So right now, you've got the likes of this coin here. What is that? We'll take a look. That's called Atlas. I would not be buying into that because you can clearly see it's absolutely bolted, doesn't it? Again, and some of these coins, they're starting to really push up. So again, this just gives you a sort of an idea of where you shouldn't really be jumping into, the buy big green candles, you get big red dildos sort of territory right there. So you want to be buying coins that have not necessarily pumped, so we can start to drop, the opportunities that are down below into this particular indicator right now. So we've got these coins that are not quite pumped yet, catching up to the rest of the market. So this moves from left to right by market capitalization, by ranking basically. So you can clearly see, your big daddy Bitcoin's there, and as we start to go down the list, some of the laggards are eventually trying to catch up to the front of the market right there. It's like a big bus going along, or a train. Eventually they'll get to the same station. Okay, this is the way I look at it. So we drop them out right now. You can clearly see at the moment, if we drop the sell short medium signaling right now, some of the markets, some of the top caps here in the top 20 have not even caught Bitcoin up. So I think that they are the greater opportunity really with the less risk. So we've got the likes of this particular coin here, Maker, that could be in for a little pump because again it's lagging the market. Ethereum is, Dogecoin is, Litecoin is. But if we go down the list here, you can start to see that some of these are beginning to pick up. The likes of Quantum, look at that, it's beginning to pick up right there. KSM is a possible little opportunity today, just to catch the market up. And again, this just gives you a sort of view of that opportunity without sort of looking at the chart and things like that. You can sort of get a micro sort of indication right there. So again, it's a cool little tool, getting lots of good feedback about this. And again, if you want to take advantage of this tool, come to CoinsKid.com, follow the process and get involved. So let's dive into the XRP chart right now and see what we can see. Okay, so looking at XRP on a 4 hourly time frame at the moment, we have hit a bit of a brick wall, aren't we? Sort of going sideways, crabbing a little bit. So this could be one or two things, compression lead to expansion to the upside, or it could be some kind of micro ABC correction at this point. Okay, so until we start to create a sell signal at this point, I won't look for any shorts, to be honest with you, because I think it's a little bit risky. I'm looking for a red dot to appear in the chart, and then at that point I'll look for a lower high, and then I'll short it. The opposite of this green dot, which is your buy signal on the 4 hour. Look at that compression, look at that. So you're creating a series of higher lows after this beautiful signal, and then boom, compression lead to expansion, then you break out. So from this particular signal that was created way back there, when was that? Friday the October. If we'd have had this indicator, which is really unfortunate, I wish I had this indicator early for you, to be honest with you, we've come up right there, and boom, we're bolted 33% at the moment. So again, come to the charts, get involved in this particular indicator. The links are on CoinsKid.com. It's an amazing indicator. I'm really pleased with it. I'm getting loads of positive feedback as well. We've got people in the CoinsKid crew that are looking at so many charts, trying to find this particular signal that's on the cusp of being printed. Now I have posted one particular setup today. I think it's PDEX, Polkadex. I think that could be an opportunity because it's on the cusp of printing this buy signal, using this indicator right there. So again, if I find them, I'll post them. I'll post them in the Discord, Twitter, whatever for you guys, and hopefully we can ride some beautiful waves up. And like I said to you, the micro caps are the ones where the opportunity is to catch up with the rest of the market right now. So they're the ones you want to be looking at. There are micro caps on CoinsKid.com on the index page. If you go to like page 5, page 6 or whatever, you will see them. Okay, so again, I wish everyone the most luck, but until we start to see a sell signal, I'm not necessarily going to entertain a short at this point for XRP. So we're doing okay. So respecting the charts at the moment, the data, we are in a buy signal and we're just riding it up. So if we start to consolidate in a range here, and just go sideways or create some kind of ABC or whatever holding structure, I'm looking at 131 over the next sort of could potentially come by the end of the year, if not by the end of the month here. It could come relatively soon. So it's all about support, okay? Your bull market support for me is this thick yellow line, which is a 20-week EMA. Really simple to get into your charts. All you do is go to indicators, search for moving average exponential, drop that into your charts, then go to this little cog down here, go to the settings like that, go to inputs and change it to 1 week. Now I have mine as 20 and equally I have it as yellow, okay? So it's entirely up to you, you know, what color you want to do it, but this drops a bull market support into any time frame. So that's your bull market support, okay? But in the micro sense right now, we are in an uptrend, we are in a micro buy signal. So again, if we start to break down here and we start to create a red signal, you know, and start to lose the buy signal support right now, then I'll entertain a short on a lower high. But at the minute, you know, I just think it's a bit of hopium basically if we entertain a short at this point without any data in the charts, you know what I mean? Because, you know, everyone's piling shorts in right now with your stop loss just there, and it's just a crowded trade basically. So again, I'm going to rely on the data, not emotion. Hope you understand the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for support. Take care everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.